Thread Together's school program is about engaging students beyond just the classroom, bringing to life their school curriculum and putting into practice what charity actually means, getting them to understand that it can be fun and meaningful, helping to foster the next generation of givers, helping to foster a kinder, more caring community.
In the program, I got to speak to a lot of people that I've never met and understand also why they are coming to help other people, which was really inspiring to me.
When a school group comes out to Thread Together, it's not just the activity that they participate in on the day. They actually get a better understanding of the work that they're doing and why they're doing it. They may pack clothing for a group that look after victims of domestic violence, or they may pack for a group of refugee families that have come out to Australia recently. Not only are they packing and doing good for these people, but they're actually understanding and getting a backstory as to why they're doing what they're doing.
You're here with lots of other volunteers, and when you work as a team you bond with the other volunteers and make friends, and there's music playing, and helping other people is really meaningful and also fun.
I learned that you always have to stay grounded and be grateful for what you have and to always try and help others.
Even though we're kids, we can still help.